So I completely forgot that I was doing what I eat in a day of life in quarantine. This is what I eat for breakfast. It's a cocoa bar. I'll show you the packaging and stuff. I'll probably have it beforehand, but this is what it looks like. It's much bigger than this, but I've ate 3/4 of it. So I've been having my dinner at lunchtime, and this is me frying some chicken in a pan with 1 calorie spray. Whilst the chicken is cooking a little, I am just cutting up and preparing 2 spring onions and some asparagus to put in the pan with the chicken when it's nearly ready, basically. Okay, so as you can see from this, the chicken is nearly done, so I'm adding in the onions and asparagus to let them cook in with the chicken. A splash of water actually really helps when you use the calorie spray, so I just put a splash of water in for this to help it cook a little better and not stick to the pan. Okay, so now this is pretty much done. I'm adding in half a pack of Uncle Ben's rice, the stuff you do in the microwave. You can just do it in with your stir fry too. And then I will put in on some spinach as well. Really random, I know, but this is Mary Berry's chili mango dressing that I'm put on as well. And that is my bowl of scrummy dinner at lunchtime. It is 5 to 4 now, and I am having 4 Gillian chocolates. Blame my mother for giving them to me for Easter. Four limit. I can eat the whole box in one go, but that is my limit. Popping in for tea now, and I am going to be having some white bread toasted, half an avocado and a bit of spread. I love avocado, but because I'm used to a Weight Watchers diet, avocados are good fat, but it's still high in points for me, so that's why I don't have that much avocado in one sitting. Evening snacks are a rare these days because of having my dinner at lunchtime, but I'm having Kit Kat Crunchy tonight because that's what I fancy.